Hi guys. This is a unboxing of the Monster Lenomand by Jess Rollar, and this is my only Lenormand deck. And at the time of this video, I think she may still have some up for pre-order, but it is a very indie deck. There's a very limited run, if I was to have a Lenormand deck, this one I just had to have this one. It's super cute, super awesome, and even though I haven't started studying Lenormand yet, I decided to jump in and get it because, you know, it's awesome. So, yeah. And I've gotten this a little while ago, but I have a little, like, backlog on my unboxing. Hold on one second. So, I'm all zoomed in for the cards, so, it comes with this guidebook here, and I apologize. And it's the Monster Lenomand, and it's, Keywords Starter Guide. And so, but I'll zoom out and I'll so you can see it better. So this is how it comes in this little organza bag with some little confetti in it, which is great. I'm gonna have to get the plastic off, so 1 second. Okay, so I got the shrink wrap off. And these are the backs, and the cardstock feels exactly like plain cardstock. So I like the system of Lenormand, but none of the art in any of the decks have ever spoken to me. So when I saw this deck, I was like, yes, I love it. This is it. This is the deck for me. So this is my one and only Lenormand deck, and I haven't started learning yet, but besides like dabbling a little bit, you know, at some time in the future, I will. And she's also supposed to be working on a Monster Tarot deck, so I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm keeping an eye out for it. So anyway, so I'm just gonna go through the cards. This is the Writer, and they're just Clover, Ship, House, Tree, Clouds, Snake, Coffin, Bouquet, and then she's got the number of the card, and then this is, I guess, the suit of the card as well. So Queen of Spades, because a Lenormand kind of corresponds with playing cards, and like I said, I just don't know enough yet. I'm just at the beginning of that journey. Scythe, Kelly. So, yeah. So Kelly Bear has a little more awesome in-depth walkthrough, and I'll link it below. And I think also the Kelly from The Truth and Story does too, so I'll link those as well, as well as all of the information to maybe purchase this deck. So these the birds This is Child. Look at the balloon. Oh my gosh. And I have actually seen most of these cards because I had to watch Kelly Bears. This is a fox. Bear. Star. Stork. Dog. Tower. The tentacle monster. This is Garden. And if you're familiar with other Lenormand decks, you know how different this one is. Mountain. Crossroads. Mice. Heart. Look at the hearts around the heart. Hearts around the heart. Ring. Book. Letter. Masculine. Feminine. And so Lenormand has, we'll go back here for a second. Lenormand uses like signifier cards. Oh, sorry, that was some children outside making really odd noises. I live right by a community center, so I get a lot of that. Oh yeah, so signifier cards, and what she's done is she's just so you can have a masculine card or a feminine card, whichever you identify. And I believe there's also a monster, which is non-gendered, so that's pretty cool. Lily, sun, moon, key, fish, anchor, cross, seeker, so that's one of them. And actually there's several, so seeker, querent, creature, monster, and partner. Yeah, so that's the deck, and it's really awesome. Okay, so since I'm waiting on my new camera, I cannot zoom out anymore, but there's some spreads in here as well. But the guidebook has some spreads, it has some meanings, and yeah, and it's really great. I think it says it's a starter guide to the Lenormand, and I'll just read one. So the writer here, go. Topic: news, message, horseback riding, visitor, haste, act, delivery, progress, invitation, mail, parcel, transportation. And she's got a 2-card combo and a 3-card sentence. And then she's talking about the 5 extra cards here. The Monster Lenomand deck comes with 5 extra optional cards. These cards are here to replace the gendered cards in your deck, male masculine, and woman feminine. Lenormand is a traditional system that is heavily gendered. I wanted to bring a fresh take on these cards while also sticking to tradition of including the original gendered cards in the deck. Feel free to use whichever card you like to replace the gendered cards, or you can add them to your deck and set the intention of using them for specific people in your life. So there's Seeker, Querent, Creature, Monster, and Partner. So those are the 5 extra cards. So if you're interested in the Lenormand, I would check this deck out. Definitely. Sorry about my camera. I would be getting a new one soon, which would be great, and I can do all kinds of nifty things with it. But I will put all of the information to purchase this deck, as well as those 2 other walkthroughs if you are wanting more. So thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!